So reka dutangire na Ca Foscari University of Venice. It's simple. Nimba ushaka kujya kwiga kuri no university, ugashaka kumenya programu bafite, n'igihe application window itangirira ndetse igafunga, just go in Google, then type Ca Foscari, just like that, Ca Foscari online application. Tegereze iyo tuzanga handitse ngo apply online. Urahita uza kuri page imeze gutya. Si ngombwa ko creating account now, ukaza find a program. Maybe ukeneye bachelor's or masters. Reka na tuvuge masters. Are you Rwandan? Ugaklik. Then ukazanga ukareba academic year 2026-2027. You're looking for English. Combine no. Then do find program. Urabona yuko list y'ama program 31 ushobora ku applyingamo zitaziboneka. Ukareba n'ama deadline hano. You see, it's simple. Just to know what is the keyword to type in Google. Utarenze gukora ama research menshi. Reka ture kuri no economic, finance and sustainability. More information. Unakora amadolari 700 ku mwaka. Application fee na amadolari 30. Ukaza no nanga ukareba the requirement. Ubungu byaroroshye. Ngufata izi requirement programming gusaba, ukaza uploadinga muri AI, ukaploadingamo na transcript yawe, ubundi ukabwira AI to act as recruitment committee ya Ca Foscari. Ubundi kakubwira ngo nkurikije transcript yawe na program ikisaba, you have, let's say, 90% yo kuna admission, or 70% or 50%. Then ukadecidinga bitewe nizo information wabonye. It's easy and straightforward. Reka turebe indi university ya kabiri.